Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, I want to help you to stop losing money to demonic spirits. Many people always come to me that for them, after doing their business for the day and then counting their money, the kind of money that they get, when they compare it with the money that they think that they have sold for the day, they suspect that some evil spirit is in charge of taking some of the money from them. Of course, there are some people who are working with some evil spirits, and then those evil spirits, when they bring their money to you or they come and buy from you, some of your money will be disappearing. So for that reason, I've decided to do this particular video to help you to also protect yourself from those evil spirits who will be taking you those spiritual taxes, and then some of your money will be disappearing mysteriously from you. Whether you are a businessman or you are a government worker or whatever, this video will help you. You can always keep the items that I'm coming to talk about in your money, and then it is going to help you. God has created all these things to help us to solve our problems. So please kindly make sure that you get those items. So if you always lose money to demonic spirits, get the following ingredients. The first item you need for this particular direction is the alligator pepper. The alligator pepper is a very common herb, and then those people who sell herbs always sell this particular alligator pepper. It is often sold in pots, but sometimes when you go to the market, some of the market women, they have opened the pot and then they will be selling the seeds. But please, when you go there, kindly insist that you want to buy the pot, please, and then buy the pot. You just need only one pot of alligator pepper for this particular direction. For the alligator pepper, the Hausa people call it the bakono. The Yoruba people call it the atare. When you come to Ghana, the Akans call it the femwisa. So you can easily get it from the herb sellers, as I've said. And then when you get it to, you can decide to charge it before you use it. The alligator pepper, you can charge it. The way you charge it is that you just dig the ground and then you put the number of seeds, the number of pots that you want to charge. You put the pots inside the ground that you have dug, and then you put 7 cubes of sugar on it, and then you pour honey on it. You cover it with the sand that you dug, and then you leave it for 7 days. So after 7 days, you go for it and then you start using it. But if you cannot charge it too, you can use it like that. But whether you have charged it or not, before you use alligator pepper for any spiritual direction, you are supposed to open it behind you. So what you do is that you send the alligator pepper with both hands to your back, and then use your fingers to open it at your back without looking at it. So after opening it, you now bring it to your front, and then you take the number of seeds that you want for the direction. But for this particular direction, you need 7 C's. Please, you need 7 C's for this particular direction. Now let's look at the next item that you need. Now after getting the 7 C's of the alligator pepper, you are supposed to get the bitter kola. For this particular direction, you need 3 small bitter kolas. The bitter kola is a very common herb that is sold often by Muslims. For the Hausa people, they call it the michigoro. So when you go to them and I tell them you need the bitter kola or the michigoro, they will be able to give you. Please, this one is different from the normal kola that we chew. The bitter kola is brown light, like what you see on the screen. But when you open the nut, or when you peel it, you see that the nut inside is white, please. But this one, you are not going to peel it. You are just going to take it like the way you have just bought it. You are not going to peel it for this particular direction. And then, as I said, you are going to use 3 pieces of it. So now let's look at how you are going to do the direction. Alligator pepper and then the 3 bitter kolas. What you are supposed to do is that you just tie the 2 of them inside a black polythene bag. You tie it together and then you just put it in the bag that you take money into. So what you do is that if you are also a business person who has a container into which you keep your money, or you collect the money into, what you do is that you just put what you have tied together, the 7 seeds of the alligator pen and the 3 bitter coolers, you put it inside that particular container. You keep it there. If you also have another bag inside your home and then you keep another money there, you are supposed to do a different one, then you keep it inside that bag too. But please, if you receive money into your pocket, kindly make sure that you get a bag henceforth and then you use it for this particular direction. So the bag must be containing what you have tied together, the 7 seeds of the alligator pen and the 3 bitter coolers. It should be there, and then you keep your money together with it. And then if you're also somebody who will receive electronic money, the bag into which you keep the phone, the bag must also have the alligator pepper seeds and then the 3 bitter coolers. That is how you are going to do it. So this is very simple to do. Then this is all about how to protect your money from evil spirits. Thank you very much for watching this video. In our next video, we shall talk about another herb that you can use to keep your money. And then that one too is also going to serve as pocket no dry. So that one, if you keep it inside your money, whilst it protects your money, it is also going to help you to get more business. If you are maybe somebody who is a carpenter or a mason or any work that you do, and then sometimes the work will be on and off. If you always keep that particular herb on you, it is always going to attract a lot of customers to you. So that one to kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel and then you press the notification button so that when I post that video, you shall also benefit from it. Thank you very much. Bye. Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and then the notification button. Thank you very much.